Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful forest road scenery painting. Let's get started. As you can see, I only take a flat brush of number 2 to draw the road. I mainly use the black color and mix a little bit of blue and white to paint the road, and also make the lightest and the darkest area of the road by adding some white color. After that, we are going to make a road marking by using a little bit of white and golden yellow also. Okay, now we mixed light blue and white to paint a small area of sky. After this, we are going to mix 3 colors: burnt sienna, yellow ochre and white to make a roadside area, and add more white to make lightest area, and similarly add black for darkest area. Now I mix 3 colors here: green, lemon yellow and white, and apply as first tone to draw the leaves. Here we are going to use a mauve brush of number 4 to paint leaves. This time I also add some yellow ochre and burnt sienna for the darkest area of the forest. I just gently tap the mauve brush and maintain lightest and darkest area. We are going to draw the trunk and branches of the trees using burnt sienna mixed with a little bit of black, and this time we use a number 1 round brush. Now move on to the next stage of painting leaves. This is the longest part of the painting. Of course, it takes a little bit more time. This time we use another mauve brush of number 2. In this stage, we are using slightly dark color as compared to the first tone or first layer. We are detailing the leaves, especially in the darkest area, and leaving some lightest area of trees also. Now we mix black and green color and apply in the farthest area of the forest. Now we are applying another layer which is more dark, especially for the darkest area, and you can see that the left side of the road is more dark as compared to the right side. So we are applying very much in the left side to show the depth of darkness. After that, we mix three color, green, lemon yellow and white, and highlight the leaves of the lightest part where the light falls directly. This time we are using number 1 round brush. Now we are going to use the number 1 round brush to make the leaves at the terminal part of the branches. This time we use mop brush for highlight because it makes many tiny dots in a single tap. So it's reduce a little bit of time. Now we apply dark green in the land area near the tree to show some grass and green leaves, and also highlight it by using yellow green. After that, we use number 1 round brush to highlight the remaining part of the land area. We are going to use white and brown sienna to show ups and downs in the land area. Now we add more white to highlight the lightest part of the road. Again, we use number 1 round brush to highlight the terminal part of the branches and leaves in the farthest area. As you can see, the lights fall directly on that particular area. Finally, we highlight the lightest part of the trees, especially in the right side of the forest, by using mop brush. At last, we mix burnt sienna and white and apply it to highlight the trunk and branches of the tree. Okay, look, your painting is almost ready. Anyway, hope you are enjoying the video. See you in the next video. Take care.